What is up, guys? Today we will be playing some Minecraft, and not only just Minecraft. We're searching for Blue Steve. This is gonna be creepy. And there's lots of blue flowers, which I am very concerned about. So yeah, I'm not gonna break them just yet, because I don't want to make it angry. Don't know why one broke. Oh, what the freak? Wait, where'd he come from? Where'd he come from? Oh, get away, get away. No. Where'd he come from? I'm confused. Get away, get away, get away. Wait. Okay, get away. Please, just go away. Why is there zombies everywhere? Wait, why is there zombies? Well, I'm pretty sure whoever spawned the zombies didn't think it through, because it's daytime. Stop. No. What just happened there? Is that a sea temple? Okay, I might go there later. But what did it say, like leave now or something? Leave now. Go! What happens if I break the sign? I don't think that did anything. Oh my god! This is creepy. What does it say? Don't do that again. Yeah, I'm just gonna back away. Oh, hello, Piggy. Can I... Die, Piggy! Die! 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 I'm not gonna question it. I'm just gonna get some wood. And place it there. Just gonna get some wood. The fact that that is creepy is creepy. I don't even know what I said. Why is it taking so... Okay, there we go. I'm gonna try and make a pickaxe and then break these, cause... I feel about to dare. Okay. What about is this? Okay, so let's just get this too. This is creepy, guys. Remember, timestamps. Timestamps is always good, guys. Always good. Okay. So, I don't think I can break it yet. Yeah, I don't think I can break lapis yet. So, we're just gonna go under here and get some stone. I wonder if stone can break lapis. I don't think it can. I think I should be able to, like, I don't think stone can break lapis, can it? For a minute I thought my crafting table was gone. That would be creepy. Can it? Well, it'll just take forever. Oh. I ran. I had to clip that, but I ran because... Dude, there was... Like, I'm not even kidding, dude. I don't even have anything in my inventory, so you can't judge me, but I actually seen, like, lots of lapis. So I'm just... Okay, I placed that there. I don't know why I did. Guess I was trying to get back up. But, yeah. Well... But, yeah, so we need to get up here. Oh god. Where did he come from? Yeah, but there's more lapis that just spawned behind me. I don't know where the freak he came from. There's even more, guys. That is creepy. I also got some chicken. Oh god. Ha! Okay. But I also got some chicken nuggets too. Because I was hungry. Ha! blow me up because I'm under here. Get wrecked. Okay. No. Oh god. Oh god. R.I.P. tree. But this is creepy, guys. I don't think I want to be here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Let's just destroy this sign. Another creeper. Geronimo! 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 Yeah, I'm just gonna be like, you wanna play some Minecraft? 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 You wanna play some Minecraft, huh? You wanna play some Minecraft? Is this making you even more mad, huh? I'll use you to bury you. Wait, what? Die. I'm just gonna destroy these. And this is gonna be in the video. If you have any suggestions on how to defeat Blue Steve, I wish I actually seen him. But of course he doesn't want to do it. But if you want to see another video on this, be sure to slap that like button, hit the subscribe button with your Blue Steve killing swords. Timestamps, like I said, would be great. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video. It's been one heck of a explorer, but see you in the next video. Subscribe, hit I need